Alright, I'm here, I'm recording, and this is Cisco Engineer William Bootleg Productions, and I'm going to do a quick tutorial on OSPF from Boston, and I'll get my inspiration from Issa Rae, who I used to date, but found out she had multiple different identities, and I found that out in March of this year. But anyway, so I'm just going to keep pushing because she gave me the advice to use what I have to just keep pushing forward. So I'm going to do this question right here. Boston, this is a sample ISDN 2 question from Boston, a network simulator. Which of the following numbers represents the OSPF process ID in router 1? So on router 1, so let us pull up the topology, and the topology is right, where is it on this question? Let me go down. Okay, show topology. So we have router 1, and to show a particular topology, we type in show. From the enable mode, you type in show. This process ID is show IP protocols, right? So show IP protocols, and the process ID would be 100, because process ID in OSPF is a number from 1 to 65,535, so it'll be 100. And we're going to show the answer, and we get it correct. And here it gives an explanation of the process ID. Okay, now we're going to go to question number 2. Which of the following is router 1's OSPF router ID? So the router ID is take the highest loopback interface, and if it's not the highest loopback, if no loopback interface is configured, then you would take the highest active IP address, right? 172.16.10.1. 172.16.10.1. That would be the router ID. Which of the following is your router ID? Router ID. So this indicates specifically in this section right here, 172.16.10.1. And I'm going to tell it show answer, and we got that correct. Now we're going to go to question number 3. What needs to be changed to enable router 1 and router 3 to form an adjacency? Select the best answer. So router 1 and router 3. So let's see what we got here. Router 1 and router 3. Router 1 and router 3, perhaps they're connected. Yes, they are connected. So to form an adjacency, they go. The OSPF routers go through 8 states. It's down, a temp and knit, 2-way, X start, X state, loading in full. And this question is what needs to be changed to enable router 1 and router 3 to form an adjacency? The OSPF routers must not match. With EIGRP, they have to match. OSPF, they do not have to match, but it is preferred. So I don't believe it's that. IP addresses must be configured with different subnet masks. Subnet masks. I do not believe they have to be configured with different subnet masks. Let me see. Another number for forming adjacency. Show subnet masks. I don't even know. Show IP interface brief, perhaps, to see the subnet masks. And they have to be in the same area, so I'm going to select D. I'm just going to take a wild guess, and I was right, because both of they have to be in the same interface. No, I'm sorry, the same area. So I got that right, but that was just a lucky guess. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, and I'm gonna stop it right there, and I'm gonna get back to you guys later. Stop recording.